So I'm on my way out to the shop this morning, and I thought I was going to show you what's up in the shop today type of video. Partially to kind of provide you a glimpse of what I do in my shop, and partially to kind of keep myself accountable so I don't end up just screwing around and wasting a bunch of time. Anyway, so off to the shop. Needs a bit of cleaning. So on the docket for today, got to get this finished and framed up, and I got a couple of these to ship out. Got to make a couple more frames and another one of these to get on the laser. Also, as you saw, I need to clean up a little bit. So here's a quick shop tip, shop hack for you. Cheap yoga mats work great as sanding mats. You pick them up for $5 when they're on clearance or cheaper. Yeah, fantastic. So all I do is break the edges on these, just hit them with a quick sand block. I like to leave them nice and crisp, so just enough to take off the sharp edge. Here we go, now she's ready for finish. So normally I finish these with shellac because it's nice and quick. However, I'm out, and my next choice is tried and true boiled linseed oil. Works great. I like to use these white cotton rags as applicators, lay them out, let them dry out before I throw them out so I don't burn anything down. I have a preference for non-toxic food grade finishes whenever possible. Sometimes I use that for something that needs a little bit more protection, or Osmo. I like Osmo as well. Osmo doesn't work very good on those frames just because it's kind of difficult to get out of little nooks and crannies sometimes. On to the next thing that needs to be done. So my next order of business is to get these fit. I didn't get my offset quite right on this, so I need to redo those. I don't have enough time. So I think I'll do some quick cleaning, and then I gotta run in and help my son with a class. So what do you think? Do you prefer the walnut or the curly maple? Let me know in the comments. So there's a brief half hour in the shop. Time to head back into the house for my son's class. One of the convenient things about having my shop so close to the house is that when I have a half an hour, I can run out, get some stuff done, and then go back into the house. Hope you enjoyed that little brief glimpse, and yeah, let me know in the comments below and all that jazz. Have a good one.